Yo, what is up? Joe's Golden Garage here. Oh, just enjoying a little time off for the holidays and New Year's. Hope everyone is doing well. I haven't had much, going on. I've been kind of lazy, actually. Trying to sell the Tundra truck. I'm still rocking the 2001 Mercedes E320 with 210,000 miles. This car has been absolutely bulletproof. I guess I've had it 2 weeks now. 1 week, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. Since the guy traded it in on the white E430. It's a great car. I mean, it really is. I'm going to do a 0 to 60 in winter mode, because when he traded it into me, he was driving it in winter mode, which all that is basically a start in second gear. So I floored it, and I still got wheel spin. And she still gets up and hauls butt. But, yeah, I couldn't quite figure out why he was doing that. But it gets around just fine by skipping first gear, starting out in second, like old Mercedes, like the old W124s. They were always programmed to start out in second gear. This car has been dead reliable and just a solid runner. I mean, it is quick, it handles well, it gets good fuel economy, it's more nimble, and I think I said that in my introductory video. The steering and the handling's lighter, more nimble, but it still has that solid Mercedes tracking feel. Feels like it's a tank. But yeah, it's been a great car so far. So this is just a little update video, a little nighttime driving clip, a little 0 to 60 driving clip. You guys comment, let me know what your favorite Mercedes is, because there are some interesting ones coming up at Auction Tuesday, and I am looking at purchasing another one. So anyway, yeah, drop a comment, definitely drop a like, subscribe if you haven't, and thanks for watching. We'll see you guys real soon. Have a good night. Peace.